Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about estimation of serum bilirubin by Malloy and Eveline method. First of all, what is bilirubin? Bilirubin is the yellow breakdown product of normal heme catabolism. The compound is mainly excreted in stool and urine. The biochemical is responsible for the yellow color of bruises and the background straw yellow color of urine. The elevated levels of bilirubin may indicate certain diseases. Now, there are several terms regarding bilirubin about which you must have basic idea before you perform this test. There is a term total bilirubin. Total bilirubin is basically equal to direct bilirubin plus indirect bilirubin. Indirect bilirubin is also referred as unconjugated bilirubin. This form of bilirubin is water insoluble. Second is direct bilirubin, also called conjugated bilirubin. This is converted from unconjugated to conjugated in liver. This usually happens when sugar is attached to the unconjugated bilirubin. The sugar conjugation with bilirubin makes it water soluble. Principle: bilirubin estimation by this method is based on Van den Bergh reaction. In this reaction, bilirubin reacts with diazo reagent to produce azobilirubin. Azobilirubin is purple colored compound. The intensity of color is directly proportional to the amount of bilirubin in the serum. There are going to be two kinds of reactions. First is direct reaction. As the name suggests, this would involve direct or conjugated bilirubin. As we know, conjugated form of bilirubin is water soluble, so this reaction occurs in aqueous medium. This reaction is fast and color develops in first few minutes only. Second one is indirect reaction. The reaction is carried out in methyl alcohol. Use of methyl alcohol basically solubilizes unconjugated, water-insoluble bilirubin. Hence, indirect reaction actually gives the measure of total bilirubin, that is conjugated plus unconjugated. On the other hand, direct reaction measures conjugated bilirubin only. So in this way, unconjugated bilirubin can be calculated after indirect reaction. Unconjugated bilirubin is equal to total bilirubin minus conjugated bilirubin. The colored intensity of both total and direct is measured at 540 nanometer. Reagents required: diazo reagent. Diazo reagent A. Dissolve 0.1 gram of sulfanilic acid in 100 ml of 1.5% of hydrochloric acid solution. Diazo reagent B. Dissolve 0.5 gram sodium nitrate in 100 ml of distilled water. Diazo blank reagent. 1.5% hydrochloric acid is generally considered as diazo blank reagent. Then we need methyl alcohol and standard bilirubin with known concentration. Procedure: preparation of working diazo reagent. In a test tube, add 5 ml diazo reagent A and 0.15 ml diazo reagent B. Mix well. Now take 4 test tubes and mark them total test, total blank, direct test and direct blank. Now have a look at this table. We are going to add different chemicals and reagents according to this table. Serum: 0.2 ml serum in all test tubes. Working diazo reagent: add 0.5 ml working diazo reagent in total test and direct test tubes. Diazo blank reagent: add 0.5 ml in total blank and direct blank test tubes. Methyl alcohol. Add 2.5 ml of methyl alcohol in total test and total blank tubes. Distilled water. Add 2.5 ml of distilled water in direct test and direct blank tubes. Once all the chemicals are added, the solutions are then mixed and placed in dark for 30 minutes at room temperature. Measure the absorbance at 540 nanometer. Now, regarding the standard bilirubin reagent, the color intensity is directly measured at 540 nanometer. Now, after absorbance, you must be having all the values. So let's move to the calculation part. Calculation for direct bilirubin. This is equal to the absorbance of direct test minus the absorbance of direct test blank divided by absorbance of bilirubin standard and then multiplied by 2.5 mg per deciliter. Total bilirubin. Absorbance of total test minus absorbance of total test blank divided by absorbance of bilirubin standard and then multiplied by 5 mg per deciliter. Now we have both total as well as direct values. So the indirect is total minus direct. This was all. Thanks for watching.